Hey there, welcome to the best choice of Scentsy Club. You love Scentsy, I love Scentsy. There's no point in buying Scentsy full price. If you are not in Scentsy Club, you have made it to the right place. It's either time to get paid off your purchases, just go ahead and start your own Scentsy journey, or if you're not ready for that yet, let's go ahead and get you 10% off and half off items. So we are going to talk all things club perks. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to walk you through this on how easy peasy it is. So let's go right here. And here we go. So here is my home screen of my website. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to amberwilloughby.scentsy.us and we have landed to the home page. Okay. So we're going to go right here and we're going to go to Scentsy Club. And then from here, it's going to tell you everything about how it works, more information if I have not given you enough information on it yet. So many different perks, the different products. But we're going to go ahead and jump in. Okay. We're going to go to create a subscription. It's going to show you everything that you can sign up for in Scentsy Club. So what Scentsy Club aims to do is help you never run out of the things that you need the most, your Scentsy favorites. So anything that is consumable can be added into Scentsy Club. So it's not going to be anything like warmers, your wall fan diffusers, anything like that. But if it is a wax, it is an oil, pods, clean, laundry, you can even do light bulbs and air purifier in there. Then this is going to be perfect for you to never run out of it. So the great thing about Scentsy Club is you get to choose the amount that it runs. So you can choose monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. So for me, I have one that runs monthly. I love my stuff. I love my house smelling good. I love my life smelling good. So you can choose whichever works best for your life. But remember, at the $30 mark, everything is 10% off. And then at the $60 mark, you get the 10% off and the half off item of your choice. Some great things about Scentsy Club that are not available unless they are in club. You get access exclusive bricks. Okay, so these are some of our most popular fragrances. Sea salt and avocado, you cannot get outside of Scentsy Club. But this is my favorite. I keep coconut lemongrass on hand, jammy thyme on hand, Luna, sun-kissed citrus, squeeze the day, just some really, really good ones, but that's only available in Scentsy Club. Some other things to highlight, you can get a Scentsy whiff box in your club. What I like to do is to tell people, and myself, I do this as well, use your half off item on a whiff box. It's an insane amount of product for a cheap amount. You can also, for promotions, any limited time offer scents, you can get them always in your club. Okay. So from the release date of a bar. Okay. So we'll say, for example, the Stitch collection. So the release date from that, when that came out on 6/26, so June 26th, you have 30 days from the launch day to put that in your club. Okay. So today is the 23rd. You have 3 more days to put Angel or to put Experiment 626 in your club. And then it will no longer be available to do that. Okay. And they will always be made for you forever and ever. Amen. As long as it stays in your club, it can be made. Aloha Orchid is somehow still in here. That is the scent of the month from last month. It is insanely good. I highly recommend putting that in your club. Okay. So always get my bars, an amazing, amazing perk of Scentsy Club. So hopefully my internet continues to work seamlessly. This is doing a great job. I'm so proud. But you can get pods in there. You can get washer whiffs. You can get any of the laundry products, clean products, light bulbs, cotton cleanups are highly, highly recommended product as well. I have 3 bundles of cotton cleanups that are in my club. And then what I like to do each month, I usually filter out between my half off items. I do the Scentsy air purifier filter. So I always have one on hand, Scentsy bricks, and the whiff box. But you can go around and play with it up there. So then you never have to be without your favorite things. That's absolutely fantastic, right? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to log into mine so I can show you guys what my club looks like and to show you what it will look like when you sign up for it. So for me, let's see, this should still be shared. Let's share my screen again. So this right here is my actual club order. So you get to choose your processing day. This is a new feature. You get to choose which day of the month. If I wanted to change mine up, I would just go in and press update. And you are allowed one skip a year. Okay. It is free to sign up. It is free to cancel, but you are allowed to have one skip a year. So you can see right here, mine is a pretty hefty amount. But look at the discounts. It's a no-brainer. Okay. So all of these bars are always Get My bars. They are made for me forever. They have this right beside them. It says this Scentsy wax bar is discontinued. I will continue to receive it as long as it stays in my club. Okay. If I go to delete this, it's going to pop up again and it's going to say I can never get this bar again if I delete it. So always Get My bar. I have quite a few. I told you I have 3 packs of the cotton cleanups. Stitch is available right now, so that's not Always Get My bar, but it's been in there for a long time. So you can see how many Always Get My bars I have. I'm a scent snob and I absolutely love everything smelling good. But you can see right here, right? Here is what I'm currently subscribed to, but you can change the subscription frequency. It's going to show you there and your discounts, and it's going to show you right here the half off item that I get. If I was to delete that, it's going to pop up at the top that I have a half off item that I can use. So that's how easy peasy it is. It is free to join. It is free to cancel. I give extra happy mail to all of my Scentsy Club subscribers the month that your subscription runs. It's a no-brainer. You don't want to be without your smell goods. You don't want your house smelling like your dogs, your kids, cats, husbands, you know what I'm saying. So if you have any more questions, text me, let me know what you think about it, and let's go ahead and get you signed up.